perform well and get good gas mileage.
What are you doing?
Strong enough to support the full
What's going on up here? Where's your bow?
4,000 pounds
Hmm?
or more.
Hmm?
The wheel cannot fail because the safety of the whole car and everyone
Where's your bow?
is riding on it. To make the wheels as strong
No, I'm not picking you up.
each one is machined from a
Hmm?
single piece of aluminum.
Hmm?
There are no parts to come loose or break. It takes a carbide blade to cut the raw aluminum stock into 30-pound billets. Each billet makes one wheel, with 20 billets cut from each bar. The billets travel through an oven for 2 hours until they're heated to over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This softens the aluminum for 4 days without melting it. A rotary forge machine
Your woodpecker?
and presses it into a thin disc using 4,000 tons of pressure. The heat from the furnace, along with the incredible pressure, not only reshapes the aluminum, it rearranges the into a tight circular pattern.
Your woodpecker?
Arrangement gives the wheel its strength and durability. When the disc is cooled to room temperature, it's bounced to the cold forming machine. The disc sits on a mandrel. Then, giant rollers drop down, and on the potter's wheel, the rollers mold and stretch the aluminum into a wheel. A coolant cuts down on the friction, but blocks the process from being. We ask them to run the machine without coolant for a minute, so we can see how it shapes and stretches the metal.
I love you.
It goes from flat disc to a wheel that's 18 inches tall.
Hey, baby.